everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas. This is a collab that was hosted by Scrappy Tate Paulette here on YouTube, and everybody that participate are amazing crafters, so I can't wait to see what everybody created and received. If you are not subscribed to their channel, please go over and subscribe. Anyways, thank you.
We are on day 6. So today I went ahead and did a tag flip, you guys, and I did use the ribbon, some stash ribbon that I had, and made, of course, like a tassel. I did use the cathyscreativekrafts die that I have, or layered tree, something like that. I can't remember what it was called, but I did use the digitals collection that I've been using from Etsy, and a Martha Stewart's paper collection. I did add some tags that I had, and hopefully Stace likes what I created for her. You guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Just don't forget to watch everybody else that's participated and, support them. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.